Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today, we're diving into a bold and exciting entry into the world of compact trucks, the 2026 Fiat Toro. This is a vehicle that blends rugged capability with a refined sense of style, catering to those who crave adventure without sacrificing modern comforts. Fiat has taken their popular Toro and given it a futuristic spin, making it a standout in the competitive market of 2026. At first glance, the 2026 Fiat Toro immediately catches your eye with its striking design. Fiat has embraced a sleek yet muscular aesthetic that gives the Toro a unique identity. The front fascia is dominated by a reimagined grille that seamlessly integrates LED lighting elements, giving it a modern and aggressive look. The headlights are sharper and more angular, further enhancing the truck's dynamic appearance. Fiat has also incorporated bold creases along the hood and sides, emphasizing the Toro's rugged yet sporty personality. With larger alloy wheels and raised ground clearance, this truck is ready for both the city streets and off-road adventures. The rear is equally eye-catching, featuring a redesigned tailgate with full-width LED taillights that add a touch of sophistication. Under the hood, the 2026 Fiat Toro offers impressive performance options that cater to a range of drivers. Fiat has introduced a hybrid powertrain for the first time in this model, combining a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor. Together, they produce a robust 250 horsepower, delivering both power and efficiency. This hybrid system ensures reduced emissions while offering an extended driving range, making it an eco-friendly choice for the environmentally conscious. For those who prefer traditional combustion engines, Fiat also offers a turbo diesel option that provides excellent torque for towing and off-road use. Both powertrains are paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a responsive and engaging driving experience. With all-wheel drive available as an option, the Toro can handle rough terrains with confidence while maintaining exceptional stability on paved roads. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's as impressive as its exterior. The 2026 Fiat Toro is designed with comfort and technology in mind, making it a pleasant space for both driver and passengers. The cabin features premium materials, including soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery and brushed aluminum accents, creating a luxurious atmosphere. Fiat has also prioritized ergonomics, ensuring that everything from the seating position to the layout of the controls feels intuitive and user-friendly. The centerpiece of the interior is a massive 12-inch touchscreen display that seamlessly integrates with Fiat's latest infotainment system. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command functionality, and a customizable interface. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing key driving information in a sleek and modern format. In addition, the cabin is surprisingly spacious for a compact truck, offering ample legroom in both rows and clever storage solutions throughout. One of the unique features of the 2026 Fiat Toro is its innovative smart cargo system, which takes versatility to a new level. This system includes a modular bed design that allows owners to configure the space according to their needs. With adjustable tie-downs, hidden compartments, and a sliding tonneau cover, the Toro can easily adapt to a variety of tasks, whether it's carrying outdoor gear, construction materials, or everyday essentials. Another standout feature is the integrated drone docking station in the bed, which comes equipped with a Fiat-branded drone. This drone can be used for aerial photography, package delivery, or scouting remote locations during off-road trips, showcasing Fiat's commitment to blending practicality with cutting-edge technology. Safety hasn't been overlooked in the 2026 Fiat Toro, as it comes packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are all standard, ensuring peace of mind during every journey. Fiat has also included a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. These systems work together to provide a safer and more confident driving experience, whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring remote trails. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Fiat Toro. If you're as excited as we are about this incredible truck, be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest car reviews and news from Futuristic Rides. Thanks for watching.